Hello Falava and welcome to my channel. This channel is about life, music and food. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do it right now. It's for you to see more. Let's go, Samoan chef. Okay family, so this is our holiday or our family vacation to Gold Coast and Brisbane for 7 days. So we're here in Sydney, so we are driving up to Gold Coast for about 8.5 hours or maybe 9 hours. Well, last time we've been to Brisbane. It's further up Gold Coast. It's 14 hours. But anyways, let's just get into it. First, we gotta get us some coffee, man. To actually get us some coffee. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my cappuccino. My version of cappuccino, Starbucks version of cappuccino in 7-Eleven. Man, so why not, man? All right, so these machines are really good. Like you just have to choose. You just have to do it yourself. Low fat. Choose the full cream. Why would I go low fat when it's full cream right there, man? Anyways, look at that. Look at that. But before that, you can put in sugars. I don't know how many sugar you want to put in, but normally I put 7. Nah, only 2. Anyways, but cappuccino always have to go with the chocolate. But this is how I sprinkle my chocolate on cappuccino. Now, yeah, see that? You put in the first layer of chocolate, then you gotta drink that away. The top layer, because that's milk right there. Then you put some more chocolate. Now you're thinking, man, this guy is sick. But anyway, no, I'm not. So the reason why I put more chocolate there, so I can actually put water. See, you can put milk, but I put water. And you see how puffy it is. There you go. That's your $7 cappuccino here in 7-Eleven. Anyways, alrighty, enough of the coffee story. Let's back our cooler now. We got some Maximus. Yeah, I love this energy drink. So I got red, blue, and also purple. Yeah, there you go. Back some V right there. And Mr. Boss, some iced coffee, iced latte. Anyways, that's the filter right there. Mr. Water. There's some more ice. Keep in there, man. Keep in there. Get in there. Get in there. I will find the file on the tattoo sukalaki or sneakers. Don't forget the sneakers there. You gotta get that. Anyways, look at it. Wow, back Darka Valley and look at the passengers are all sleeping. Guess I'm driving by myself. Yeah, find them on the local. Mene ia kakuolo kakueva I oi Gold Coast TC. Oka, yeah, ngani kakuava I yeah, look, 8 hours and 42-minute drive. So yeah, well. Before, I think 5 years ago, man, they used to 14-hour drive, 13-hour drive, but now they just cut down to 8 hours and 41 minutes. So we'll be driving for 4 hours and a half, and then I think our first stop, we're going to be having a break in Gulf Sabah. So yeah, let's go. 4 hours later, finally we arrive in Gulf Sabah. So you got for give me lunch here, so we're going to have a break here for about an hour. We're gonna have McDonald's and look, I wanted to actually get a Subway, but you know, McDonald's the closest anyway. But yeah, whatever. Anyways, so it's time to check on Ronald McDonald. I think I need 2 Big Mac. You know, it's another 4 hours, man. I need them 2 Macs, man. To show me the Big Mac. There you go, man. So yeah, nothing beats Big Mac, man. There's no other burger like Big Mac. The double patty and the cheese. And I haven't had a Big Mac in a while, man. Like, I think like 2 weeks ago or about a week ago. Anyways, but yeah, I definitely need this for the next 4 hours. 4 hours later. And finally arrived now in Main Beach, Gold Coast. And well, look at that. It's time to check up on our Airbnb, man. And that's the reception right there. Beautiful. Only Contessa. So I think about 40 story. So that's the indoor pool, and that's the boat ramp on the other side. So you know you can actually get your boat from there to go to Surfers Paradise. But you know what? All these elevator, man, like you cannot use it without a key, so you gotta have the key. Man, quite fancy for each of name, man. So So, and the funny thing here is that you can't. She's trying to press the level 27 because we're on level 27, but you gotta use the key. So you gotta actually scan the key. There's a key pad there, so you can scan it, and then you can actually close the door. So the fans are getting in, man. So yeah, that's us right there, just waiting, and that's waiting to get up. And here's a funny moment here. Doors open, and then we're like, you go first. Yeah, right. Look how close to me. You can see my ears. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, level 27. Yeah, they will rush you for this. Otherwise, you'll go look at it. So then look at that. Look at that. Hey, that's the backyard right there. So, yosa. Here we go. Now we gotta look for our room. Yelling out, time to look for our room. So, but I think these guys are going to the wrong way, man. That's the wrong side. Get on the other side. Yeah, there you go. So I think our room is on the other side. Yeah, si kako sa valvali ko si Vaid kako poku. Yeah, wow, man, that's a beautiful view right there, man. But check get a view like what the backyard, man. Hang on. Okay, guys, welcome to my grave. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to some big wow right there, man. Broke the mouth. Ew. Yeah, so that's the living room right there. That's the lounge. Yo.
Yo, sir. Yo, sir. Yo. Yo, man.
I'll tell you what, man. I'm glad you leak. Man. So, man, I didn't even know that I was afraid of height, man, until I walked up on that balcony right there. But big kitchen, guys. Look at the kitchen. Then now, this is not a hotel. This is the Airbnb. We actually booked this whole 2-bedroom apartment right here, and you see it's got a TV, it's got everything. And that's the first room right here. Look, 2 beds. Even got a TV on it and the view as well. So wow, yes, man. That's the first.
You can actually go out. You can go out on your one.
Oh my goodness, man, the girls are loving it, man. So look at the view. Just imagine waking up every morning with that view, and the breeze is real. Like the breeze is real, guys. Oh, that's a little more right there, man. And then see what? Even for the car, there's a dryer. There's a washing machine there. That's another toilet right there, and that's our room. So that's the master bedroom. It's got a TV as well. It's got a TV. It's got an aircon. And let's check out the toilet and the restroom. Oh, dang! Kiali solo le bathroom. So, A for apple. Oh man. So man, look at that view. Man, 5 days, man. Looking at that view for 5 days. Oh my gosh, oh man, it's high as, man. Put on level 27. And look at all these high rises, man. And then the beach is just right there, like 5 minutes walk to the beach. Alright guys, time to walk about down the stairs. But this is a level 1. And there's like a little living area here, so people just hang around here if they wanna have coffee and watch something on the screen down here. We're gonna go outside. Now we're outside checking out the swimming pool outside, because it's got 2 swimming pools. It's got a pool inside, indoor pool, and also the swimming pool outside. Solid, man. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Solid, makuha seki ani yo tiles ali solid, man. Solid glass fence everywhere.
Tennis court.
That's the tennis court right there. Solid, if I could kill a tennis court, man. Really good, man. So if you're allowed to play tennis, yeah, there you go. So you can actually play tennis here. Seki. So we're on level 27. I think they put these barriers here because they think this they're repairing something in the pool. I don't know, but yeah. Sorry, yeah, only. Me mua ali check kama sa le pool. So, oh damn, beautiful, man, beautiful. And you know what? We waste no time. It's just time to go ile, man. Yeah, nah. So let's go. And the other thing I want you guys to know that it's got a spa pool as well. So man, the spa pool is awesome, man. Like, well, sick the spa pool, man. And after a nice car ile, so it's time to eat now. So the kids they wanted to eat tacos, so we took a drive to Surface Paradise and then check out this taco place. Yeah, and that's their menu for all the taco flavor. It's got some burrito. They also got nachos and all the other Mexican sort of like South America style of food. And and we were expecting like some good food tonight. So, but yeah, it came out that plate. Yeah, fancy plate. Like, it looks good. There's a burrito right there. There's your taco right there. Tacos, and also some. We're waiting for our nachos. There's the nachos. Now I'll tell you what, man. Look, the food looked good, man. But I'll tell you this, I'm gonna give it 6. Reason why? Because that's the burrito right there, man. Well, the meat was overcooked, man, and then everything was overcooked. Everything was soft. It's like a mashed potato with gravy. And I think the only thing was good, it was the taco. But the nacho as well was soft as well. So I don't know. I think they bake it on the oven or whatever. But to me, man, that was $100 something, man, that actually got into that food. But I'll give it a 6.5. Anyways, but after that disappointed burrito place, taco place, well, finish up the night with some with stream again, man. So but check out the lights because those pool lights, man, they're really good. Right? Look at that. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the resident here in this place, man, they're getting ready for their Christmas and New Year. Look at them lights. Well, that's the end of our first day, so we're gonna head up tomorrow to Dream World. Welcome to Dream World. So, yeah, Dream World, man. Yeah, there's a lot of people around. That's the entry right there. As soon as we enter inside, there's a few people around here. So check the other side. There are a few things I've noticed here, like this thing here, hire me. So you can hire like a pram. So if you're planning to go to and also like a stroller, pram, like a trolley. So if you're planning to go to Dreamworld, so don't take any pram. They got it there. Yeah, that's the first shop right there. With plenty of candy and then Cinderella and all the other stuff in there. It's good for the kids, man. Like, they love it. They love it.
No, you didn't come through there.
Solid, man. Really true, solid. $7.50. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna actually stop here and buy some churros, man. And that's the process, man. Deep fry and then seasoning them with some ice and sugar. Pay $7.50 for that, man. Where's the Nutella? Where's the sauce? It should come with the sauce, man. Ja, ze hebben go voor de ik ben maar bij mij.
What do you think? How about you, sis? Huh?
I like it.
You like it, eh? You?
Yeah. That's it. The little one's loving it, man. That's the first ride. Look, man, like, yeah, like I wanted to go, but I'm just too cool for that ride, man, you know. Yeah, well, I have to stay back and look after the little one. She can't go on the ride, so yeah, here we are, me and her, we're just watching them go on them rides. And then when wandering around now, because it's a bit sad she's not going on a ride. So, it's been scary days, right, man? Definitely not gonna be able to go on those rides. No way. I'm just too cool for that, man. Mà ngay vẫn có nga ride there, ride mo kain. It's a wingy mo kain. You get to. Oh man, that's so scary, man. That's the second ride, the claw, so again, I can't get on them rides, man. No way. I'm just too cool to go on those rides. Yeah, nga. On the middle way, I'm the cameraman now for these guys, man. Gee. $50 an hour. Wow, man. Yan nga, lele. Umaswingi it was okay lele. After that swing, come and fly. Fly like an eagle. Them kids, man, they loving it, man. Dạ đó, kia cho phóng ngua.
Hope you turn out to.
Kia vào lên.
She's gonna be shocked when the thing goes up.
Man, I used to ride them rides when I was young, back in the island. Ai mua phụ sa mua mê ý ạ. Mà béo cố ngongi Oscar de mi sila mua mê. We used to have them back then. Mr. Bruno used to bring them these rides to Samoan. Definitely I'm not one. Never ever I'm gonna go to them. Okay, time for lunch. So we spent about that package there. It's $80, I think. Yeah. And the candy is $10, but that package there was $80. 2 burgers, and some chicken and some chips as well. Yeah, and guess what? You know what I'm thinking, B1? Yeah, of course, B1. But if you go in B1, B2, no? And this is one of the train rides, so you can go around the whole block, so you can get to see the people riding on those big rides right there. So this is a train ride that goes around.
I think it's good.
Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
You can experience it.
and you can see some.
Sitting down, everyone. Staying seated.
So this is the other side where you can see animals as well. It's like a little zoo. Tole, mga yeli puman vaile niya, si Kile Karokakaila. And then we have a visitor. Take a look at this guy, man. Sneaky, man, sneaky. Look at it. He was looking at me like, "Olea, oh, latune, ai, oi." And this is one of the sides that just opened. This side, the new one. Pretty good, man. And look at this guy's following us. Look at this guy.
Look at this little guy.
Man, this is Australia, man. Oh my gosh. It's really packed right here, man. So we decided not to go in. So this is the last ride. This is the biggest ride here. And the most scariest ride as well. It's a Taipan. Steel Taipan. So they really want me to jump on this ride, and I'm like, hey, no way. No way I'm gonna go on this ride. Man, it looks scary already. See how it goes forward? And then reverse back, and then it can come out like full speed. Look at that. So definitely I won't do that. Man, people are like screaming their lungs out, man, because it looks scary, man. I'll probably do it one day, but yeah. But for now, I don't think I can do it. But anyways, that was a good ride, guys. Well done, well done. Here on the Umailio another singer, time to go home. Exit through the main street shop. Funny thing is, we came through the entrance and there's a exit on the other side of the door. But they want us to go through here. Now, here's the thing. The reason why they want us to go through here, it is because if you go through these shops, there's about 4 or 5 shops here. Everybody go through these shops. So it's if you go through these shops, you're not gonna walk straight out. You just have to. A lot of people, they stop by and buy all the like toys, teddy bears, they some t-shirts, some hats, and all the other things that So that was the reason. It's all business. So this is one of the business idea I know. So I've noticed on the day, they wanted to go through, they wanted to exit through these shops, and if you want, and the good thing is as well, like they take all your photos on every ride that you go on. So and you can actually get your photo album from there and print it out on the other side. Okay, check this out. Look at the little kid here getting that B1 and B2, the banana in pajamas.
Whoa.
See what I'm saying? Like it's like business ideas, like these kind of business ideas that I noticed on a day, that everybody that walks through here, they will walk out with something in their hand. And that's the Lego side as well. See, all these kids are grabbing the Lego and all the toys. Smart, eh? Whole dream world, you are smart. You guys are smart, man. money. So yeah. So they won't let you go without spending the last dollar in your pocket. Well, it was a beautiful day in Dreamworld, but it's time to go home. And we're gonna finish up our day. Let's go to Surfers Paradise. Let's go for browsing Surfers Paradise. And that Surfers Paradise right there is very busy right there. We've got it busy. A lot of people around. It's Christmas, you know. There's kebab. You know, we were looking for something to eat because we were hungry after that long day in Dreamworld. And yeah, check that out. So let's say, yeah, that's the beach road. So that's the front, the beach on the other side, and also the shopping center on the other side. Look at them people, man. Like, oh, it's like It's like a 12 noon, man. With everybody's walking around like. Yep, finally we got some food. So we bought ourselves some noodles and also some dumpling and some Hungry Jacks. Then take a walk to the beach and take some photos on the Surfers Paradise on the beach. But it was a beautiful night in Surfers Paradise, night. Very beautiful. Breeze is good. Okay, and the next morning, yeah, we went and checked out this Foster Bakery. Still in Gold Coast as well, but they're like 5-star on Google. So we just Googled them down, and yeah, and they got all the flavor. They got lamb pie, steak and cheese. They got chicken. They got curry meat, beef as well. Bacon and cheese and all. The pastry looks really nice from outside. I mean, looks really nice. So we bought a couple of pies as well, and also we bought a donut. They got donuts as well, like also long creamy donuts. And we bought a donut. So look at that. Look at that beauty right there. Oh my gosh, and we spent about $33.80. So yeah, and we bought sausage roll, also lamb pie, junk steak pie. I'll tell you what, they look good, but it was not a wow. So I just rated 6.5. But the only thing was good, the donut. And it's lunchtime now, so South Park. We stopped by Southport Park, and this place called Sashimi Factory. We wanted some seafood lunch, so I wanted to buy a fish and chips. Look at that fish, man! Oh my dog! And we bought a fish and chips, and also some fish nuggets for the kids, and also some sashimi for my wife. And look at that fish.
Check that out. What? Holy! This fish is bigger than the bloody iPhone. Yeah, she ordered sashimi. How much is it? $12.
Wait, do it again.
How is it? Good? Nice? Very nice. Wow, yeah, fish off. Because they're not normal. They salmon fish. Yeah. I don't know if you see it though. But if you ever come to Gold Coast, we're here.
Check out the factory, Sashimi Factory at Southport. So Sashimi Factory, 8.5. Well done, well done. We stopped by at another fish and chips place here in Gold Coast. It's called Peter's Market. Someone recommended that they got some nice fish and chips. So that's their packet right there.
Look at that.
So let's just try it. I'll tell you what, it's not a big wow, but a full review is coming out this weekend about Peter's Market. Anyways, we arrive in Brisbane and we are checking into our second Airbnb, and this high-rise is called Eve and Ivy. So there's two high-rise together. It's called Eve and Ivy. And then I want you guys to have a look at this one. So this one is a 1-bedroom, but look at it. Look at that. That's the kitchen, bathroom right there, a little lounge room here, and little dining area right there, and that's the bedroom right there. And look at the view. Yeah, so this building is in the city, and I think it's South Bank. We're in South Bank. Oh man, look at that view and that sit out area right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's a bit hot here in Brisbane, but in Gold Coast we have never turned on the aircon because the breeze was real there, man. And I'm a bit shocked at this. Welcome, Sian Jong. All right, let's go walk about outside. So that's level 3, and that's outside of the level 3. It's got 2 gyms. So this gym here belongs to the building that we are in, Eve, and the gym there belongs to Ivy, to the other room, to the other building. Sorry. And that's the outdoor cinema. And look at that projector right there. That's the outdoor cinema. So, 8 p.m. there's a movie going on at 8 p.m. every night. So man, it's awesome. And also, um, and this is not a hotel. This is just apartment. Like we actually booked that apartment, 1 bedroom apartment. And this is the outdoor pool as well, and a barbecue area. Oh, sorry. Now, guys, we're shooting. Check that out. Check that view. Look at all those high rise. Look at all those skyscrapers there, man. Look at it. And the swimming pool here. Very beautiful, man. The view is awesome. And you can see that. You can see the South Bank right there. And also they got a spa pool as well. So, man, the full package right here, man. It was worth it to actually book this Airbnb than a hotel. Look at this, man. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah, we sneak out at night, like around, because I think the pool closes at 11 or 12, and we sneak out at night and got earlier again because we wanted to see the lights at night in the city, and that's just us in the pool in the middle of the night. It must be Samoans. There you go. We enjoying that spa pool at night, man. Just us. Yeah, while in my mom came, you gotta use all the time. Use the money, use the time. You know, it's all free, it's all paid for. So why not just use it? So that's us. The girls are enjoying it, man. They're loving it. They're loving it, man. Oh man, look at those other buildings right there with the lights. And it's Saturday, and we wanted to check out this East Street market. Yep, we saw it on TikTok. A lot of people are checking out this place, this market here, because they're open on Saturday and Friday and Saturday. And you have to pay $6 to get in. Yeah. Alrighty, so some arcade games right here as you enter in. And there's oh my god, look at it. How many here? So all the arcades on this side here. And here we go. Let's start with the cakes. They got all sorts of cake here. Cheesecake, chocolate cake, all flavor muffins as well, and they got cupcakes as well. And that's just the first shop right there. Second one, we got waffles here. So look at them syrup. Oh, that chocolate, that Oka. And also these guys here, they do all the pancakes as well. There's little mini pancakes. Oh, nice. And this is the first stage. So they have this first stage here, and they got all the cakes and stuff like that. That is strawberry, like a strawberry stick. And this is the second stage, so they got the second stage here. And most of the restaurant around here, they are all barbecue and all roast and barbecue shops as well. There's plenty of shops. Check out this style of kebab right here, man. What if I would lay down, man. They got dumpling as well. They got steamed buns. They got dumplings. And these dumplings got all the flavors. They are all the flavors, even the steamed bun as well. And here we got some shakes as well. Fruit drink on this side. This is like the third stage area. It's got all the donuts. Oh yeah, wait. This side here is all dessert, like donuts dessert and donut style of dessert on this side. They got some hot donuts. Not only that, they got some popcorn donuts. So the magua also look at them donuts here. It's like strawberry filled donuts and also some Nutella. And look at them cones, man. They're all ready for ice cream, and they put ice cream inside of any flavor they have. And those are donut cones. Turkeys, street food. Hey, look at them potatoes, man. Who would have thought that we had potato stuffed with a lot of cheese and that? Sell it for like $16 for one potato with stuffing inside. Tokyo, yeah, they got all the sushi stuff, food here as well.
Huh? What is that?
Salted caramel macadamia.
And they're giving away all these. Look at those, there's peanuts as well, Damien nuts as well. $10. Show me that money. So this is the fourth stage. So and this area here, the fourth stage, they got all the seafood stuff. So we got the seafood here. My favorite seafood here. So they got fish and chips on the other side. They got see all these seafood stuff on this side. They got oysters, mussels, and then on the last part before you exit, it's got all these guys in it, like what? Professor Fairy Floss, actually. Professor Fairy Floss, and also some jewels as well. And then my fellow professors, so oh yeah, wait, I want to lay all the candies. And not only that, they got this lemonade drinks store here. However, it's time to taste them food, man. Yeah, you also.
Where you go?
Yeah, whatever. They look good, man. That cream, the Nutella. And on the other side, when you exit out, there's a beach right there. So how awesome this market is, man. Alright, so we finish up our night with our Saturday night with in South Bank. On the other side of Brisbane. So this is the Korean barbecue, the Chaco one. So yeah, so here's the bar. So you got all your marinated meat on the other side, all your deep fried food on this side, and all your salad on this side. So all these meat bar right here. So you can just grab it and take it to your table. The thing that I love about Chaco Korean barbecue, just they put the Chaco inside there, so you just have to cook it away. All the meat is marinated good, man. Like it got seafood as well, so it's beautiful. And the smoke from the Chacos, man. Oh my god, out of this world. Let's go right here. And it's Sunday, so we stopped by Red Bank to see our niece, and so they actually shout us for lunch here in Red Bank. That's our Konghai right here, man. This is a Korean fried chicken place, and the full review of this will be out this weekend, so on my channel, so you can watch the full review of this restaurant. But first, gotta get this bad boy out before we actually get into the food. Jolly, Sikial plate, man. Potato. These deep fried potatoes, man. The batter, the potatoes inside. Look at this style, man. Look at that. They got cheese in the middle, and you have to actually melted the cheese, so they got that little stove on the bottom. And around, that's, they call it UFO chicken platter. Check out them chips, man. They look crunchy, man. These fries are off the hook. They look amazing. So the kids are like enjoying their UFO chicken right there. Okay, they got rice, they got dumpling as well. And here we are, we got our ones now. And look at all the chickens, man. They got some spicy chicken there, cheese, mozzarella cheese right there. And check these out. These are corn dog. These are corn dog, man. Cheese is mounting up, man. Totally. Brisbane, come on.
Yeah.
See, it's like they have vermicelli inside the dumpling. And look at them cheese, man. I'm pulling out that tub. And look at that chicken, man. It's juicy inside, crunchy on the outside, nice and spicy. And they got some. We ordered some burger. They ordered some burger meal as well. And check this out, this corn dog, man. It actually it's like it is a donut with cheese and also the sausage inside. But look at that, soft donut with cinnamon sugar, man. Yeah. A full review on this restaurant will be out this Saturday, so check out that video. Cool, guys, done and dusted. And I took a photo with the owner and the two waiter that actually helped us out. Let's go. Yeah, finish up our Sunday. Yeah, watching a movie here at our Cineplex in Red Bank Plaza, and it's only $10 a ticket. And look at their popcorn and their drinks combo is only like $7. Very cheap right here, man. Look at the slushy flavor, all different. Like, you know, you can mix them. So let me go fancy for you, Red Bank Plaza. And it's, you know, it's affordable for the family just to, and the cinema was just right next door to the place we had lunch at. Getting the vacation coming to the end, so we just want to thank niece Numera and husband Sengi and the kids for shouting us lunch, Kauai, and also taking us to the movies as well. Big thank you and mad love to this beautiful woman right here, my wife, for this awesome 7-day. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings over our family. For more video from us, please support me by subscribing to my channel and follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Samoan Chef Life.